In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a QR code and share it effectively. QR codes are incredibly versatile tools, enabling you to quickly and easily share information with others. Whether you're directing people to a website, sharing contact information, or promoting a special event, a QR code can be the perfect solution. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Publish section of the platform you're using. Here you'll find a variety of options for distributing your content, but we're going to focus specifically on creating a QR code. This feature is typically straightforward to find, often nestled within sharing options or labeled distinctly as QR code. Once you've found the QR code section, the next step is to either copy or download the QR code image. You have two main ways to secure your QR code. Copying the code is useful if you're planning to paste it directly into a digital document, email, or website. To do this, you likely need to right-click on the QR code and select Copy, or there might be a convenient button that says Copy to Clipboard. Alternatively, if you want a file version of the QR code, select the Download option. This will typically save the image to your computer as a PNG or JPEG file. Both formats are widely supported, making them ideal for a range of uses. Now that you have the QR code ready, the third step is sharing or printing it. Decide how you want to distribute your QR code based on your audience and setting. If you're sharing it digitally, you can attach or embed the code in emails, social media posts, or websites. Simply use the copy feature if you haven't done so already and paste it where needed. For more physical distribution, printing the QR code is an excellent approach. You can incorporate it into flyers, business cards, brochures, or posters. This method is particularly useful for events or situations where people might be on the go and able to scan quickly with their phones. And there you have it, the entire process of generating, copying, downloading, and sharing a QR code. Always remember to test the QR code before distributing it. Simply scan the code with your smartphone to ensure it directs you to the intended destination. This precaution can save time and avoid any potential confusion for your audience. By following these steps, you're well equipped to harness the power of QR codes for a variety of purposes. They are not only an efficient way to convey information, but also a bridge between the physical and digital worlds. I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.